In this video, we will demonstrate how to install a Baldwin entrance function rose. The door and door jamb needs to be prepared as per the supplied template. These are the components included in the kit. If your door requires a 2 3/4 inch backset deadbolt, hold the faceplate in your hand and rotate the back of the latch to extend it. Make sure the slot in the deadbolt is facing down. Then insert the deadbolt into the door and fasten with 2 screws. Extend the deadbolt. Verify the backset markings on the latch are facing up and the bevel of the latch is facing the door jamb. If it is not, hold the faceplate in your hand and rotate the back of the latch to change the handing of the latch. Verify the backset marking is up and the bevel of the latch is facing towards the door jamb. Fasten with the 2 screws. Install the spindle through the latch with the V-groove facing down towards the lower hinge. Install the spindle from the exterior side of the door. Install the exterior adapter with the door jamb marking facing towards the edge of the door. Install the interior adapter also with the door jamb marking facing towards the edge of the door. The inside adapters will have through holes and countersinks for the screws. Insert 2 1 1/4 flathead screws into the inside adapters. Place the outside rose onto the adapter and thread on the rose retainer using the spanner wrench and fully tighten. Insert the cylinder onto the outside trim. Verify the tailpiece is in a vertical position. Slide the tailpiece of the cylinder through the slot in the deadbolt and install the cylinder into the trim. Depending on the trim selection you choose, your cylinder may pass through a cylinder collar before installing the cylinder into the trim. Secure the backplate against the door with 2 screws. The facing of the backplate will be determined by how your door is prepped. Turn the turn knob so the slot is in a vertical position and install the trim. Place interior plate onto door, inserting the cylinder tailpiece into the back of the turn piece, and thread the retainer onto the adapter. Tighten the rose retainer with the supplied spanner wrench. Pre-drill for oval head screws. Install all the screws and fully tighten. Verify the spindle is centered in the door. Thread the set screw halfway into the knob. Then place a nylon washer onto the end of the knob. Align the set screw with the V-groove in the spindle, which is facing towards the lower hinge. Tighten the set screw. Install the set screw partially into the knob. Install the washer. Align the set screw with the V-groove in the spindle. Keep pressure on the interior knob towards the exterior side of the door and tighten with an Allen wrench. Test the operation of your lock. Your Baldwin Rose single-cylinder entrance function lock is now installed.